How can we live more intentionally? In the next few minutes, we're going to build our strength and the balance within. So this yoga practice is designed to move your body with purpose, bring awareness through balancing poses, and bring deep intentions. So when you're ready, let's get started. Lay down on the mat with your feet together and flap them slowly like butterfly wings. Just gently warming up your body for the practice. Now bring the knees together towards your chest and rock back and forth and come to a tabletop. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, raise your chin up. Exhale and round your back and bring your hips to your heels. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Keep flowing through these. Now move the hands a few inches forward, tuck your toes in and lift your knees up and twist your knees to the left. And hold here. And now twist them to the other side. And go into a downward facing dog. Brush your heels here. Stretching them hamstrings. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now inhale and take a step forward. Come to the front of the mat and raise your hands up into the sky. And exhale, bend full forward. Inhale, lift your head up halfway. Exhale and step back with your left foot into a low lunge. Look straight. Hold the position here. Now raise your hands into a crescent lunge. Reaching your arms into the sky. Now tuck your back toes in and lift the knee up into a high lunge. Hold here, keeping the gaze straight. Arms straight into the sky. Now step forward with the arms still in the sky. And exhale, relax. Now the other side, step back with your right foot into a low lunge. Keeping the gaze straight. Arms at the front of your mat. Raise your hands up into the sky. Crescent lunge. Maintaining that gaze straight. Tuck your toes in, lift your knee up. High lunge. Step forward and relax. Raise your hands up into the sky and bend full forward. We move it through vinyasa. Inhale, raise your head halfway up, step back into chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Brush your heels here. Stretching those hamstrings, step forward to the front of the mat, arms in the sky, and exhale into chair pose. And hold here. Now straighten the knees, bend forward, and put the arms back like an airplane wings. And slowly raise your left leg up. Keep your gaze at one focus point. This will help you to balance your body. And try to lift your head and the leg up even higher. And come down slowly back into the chair pose. Keeping the gaze straight now. Once again, bend forward, knees straight, and arms on the side again like airplane wings. And this time we will lift the right leg up. Keeping the eyes on one point. And come down slowly into chair pose again. Keeping the gaze straight and bend full forward. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Drop your knees here, open your knees wide and go into child pose. Rest your forehead on the mat. Come back up slowly. Bring your legs forward and lay down on the mat. Bring your chest up and knees up. Knees can be bent here, half bowed. Keeping your hands straight. And relax. Come back up once again, but this time keep your legs straight. And hold here. And relax. Now put your arms out to a T, bring the knees up and wrap the right leg around the left leg and drop to the left. Keep your gaze to the right, giving a good twist to your spine. Come back and release your twist. Now the other side, left leg around your right leg and drop to the right. Gaze to the left. Release your twist and come back to the center. And grab both of your knees and press them against your chest. Give them a good hug. And relax into Shavasana. Thank you for joining me with exploring intentional living through yoga and other ways. I hope you feel much better and focused after this practice, and take this feeling of focus and concentration and intention off the mat throughout your day. And I will see you in the next video.